Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create a Python HTTP server that can listen on multiple ports simultaneously. Python provides a built-in module called http.server which allows us to create a simple HTTP server. However, this module does not support listening on multiple ports out of the box. To achieve this functionality, we will use the http.server module in combination with the socket and threading modules to create a multi-port HTTP server. Note, this tutorial assumes you have basic knowledge of Python programming. Before we begin, make sure you have Python installed on your system. You can download Python from the official website, https://www.python.org/downloads. First, let's import the necessary modules. We'll use http.server to handle HTTP requests, socket to manage the sockets for each port, and threading to create threads for each port. We'll create a custom HTTP request handler by subclassing http.server.simplehttprequesthandler. This handler will define how to respond to incoming HTTP requests. You can customize the do_get method to define how your server responds to GET requests. Next, specify the port numbers you want your server to listen on. You can define multiple port numbers as a list. Now, we'll create a separate thread for each port to handle incoming connections. This code creates a separate thread for each port defined in the ports list. Each thread runs the create_server function, which starts an HTTP server on the specified port using the custom request handler. Save your Python script and run it. Your multi-port HTTP server should now be up and running, listening on the specified ports. You can access your server in a web browser or by sending HTTP requests to the respective ports. Remember to customize the do_get method in the custom request handler class to handle GET requests according to your requirements. That's it. You've created a Python HTTP server that can listen on multiple ports simultaneously. You can expand upon this basic example to add more advanced features and functionalities to your server as needed. ChatGPT